DJI comments my video. What else? The DJI called me from USA, asked why I want to return the camera, and back to charging GoPro battery. I'm not gonna use Action 4. I'm gonna put it in a box and wait to ship it. Welcome back GoPro. I'm sorry. Packing the DJI. Bye. Day is beautiful. I'm gonna go and film something in Kraków. DJI, don't hate me, I still use your drone. Forgive me. So we are staying GoPro Hero 10, iPhone 13 and DJI Mini 3 drone. Again, GoPro. Super view. I think it makes better than vlog. In DJI it was like my face was like that. It was really narrow and everything was so wide. I just prefer GoPro. One of my favorite places in Kraków. Zakrzówek. Now GoPro. That's gonna be my guide to what you visit when you are in Kraków. See the castle. I'm gonna be there later. Stunning place. I'm gonna go around and I hope you will visit sometimes this place, Zakrzówek. But I will put the name in the description. You can walk around. That's amazing. I took to camera in public a couple months ago. It was impossible. And instead of taking screenshots, I just take a picture for thumbnail. Next progress. Slowly, I'm getting there. Improving as a YouTuber. iPhone, GoPro. GoPro, iPhone. I don't know. It's a little bit better probably, but Kim and Jason, congratulations for your new drone. So we can tell that I'm an influencer. Let's go. Fly as much as possible. I hope you bought a DJI Care. Then just fly. It's so fun. I can just go for a walk and stop for a moment and fly and then edit it, have beautiful memory. Good purchase. I swam here, but now it's too cold, I think. Come on. This is amazing. 3,000 watch hours, let's go. 1,000 more, 675 subscribers. We're gonna make some money. Second most favorite place in Kraków. Let me show you this mount with beautiful view on the town. That's the old town of Kraków. Gonna climb this, but first I need to fly my drone. Drone shots done. Love it. The sunset is amazing. Night, so I think it's time to say goodbye to GoPro. Low light in iPhone it's better, but the flares, flipping hey, forgot about them. If only iPhone could fix those flares. I'm using GoPro with like boost. Everything is auto, ISO 800. Okay, I switched ISO to 200. Should be a little bit better. Footage is shaky. That's the most important thing. Now ISO 100, the lowest ISO possible. No grainy footage. GoPro 10. Can you see me? It's probably gonna shake a lot. Wide. Ultra wide on iPhone looks better. Ultra wide on iPhone. Linear GoPro. Now I have time to test it. Castle. You can go like there while it's closed at night. Now Old Town. Those are pączki. But very unhealthy, a lot of calories, so no. Kraków. Welcome to Kraków. We had a reason why it's safe. Police. Defund police in America, but police is so important. I don't know how people can say that defund the police, so stupid. It's so peaceful. Culture also. Kraków Book Club. Wow. Stores. You can buy a pig. I feel a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera today. That's nice. That was a little bit risky to fly. The footage, I think it's one of the best that I ever recorded. I'm not gonna go to club. I'm gonna drive home, edit and go to sleep early. That's the plan. Gas, the only thing that I spend money right now. So I spend money. Now I need to write that in my notes. I'm not gonna spend that money on some things that I don't need. Sandwiches. Bruno. Are you okay finally? Cannot eat everything what you find. I hope you enjoyed it. Kraków. Visit this town sometimes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I need to return the DJI.